In this episode, we are going to talk about notching, which allows us to exclude certain points from the calculation. Trevor, could you explain why that might be desired?
Yeah, in certain instances, whilst measuring the part, you may measure over some slots or some grooves or drilled holes, which obviously will then skew the roundness when you come to analyse that. So you may want to remove these certain bits of data from the calculation.
And how would you go about doing that?
So this can be done by going into each specific data set, and I can remove these in different ways, either between two certain angles or on the outer or the inner of a certain set diameter. Once this is applied, the new calculation will then be highlighted.
Could you show us what it looks like after notching?
Yes, so obviously once the notching has been done, you can clearly see the portions where the data is now being ignored, and obviously this will now give you a more relevant roundness of the elements that you're looking to measure.
Thank you, that's pretty clear. Please join us for the next episode about harmonics.